Hello students, today I am going to teach you color wheel. A color wheel is a circle with different colored sectors used to show the relationship between colors. The color wheel has three parts: primary, secondary and tertiary. But I am going to teach you only primary and secondary because once you understood their two, you will automatically understand
The
tertiary.
materials you need for these are pencil, scale, eraser, rounder and watercolor. First take the rounder, fix the pencil in it and measure 9 cm on the scale with the rounder. And find the middle of the page and from the middle draw a circle. Then decrease the measurement into 6 cm and then again draw a circle. And repeat it one more time by decreasing the measurement into 3 cm. Now 3 circles are ready. The outer circle is our primary circle and then inner circle is our secondary circle. Now let's divide them into 3 parts. For that, take measurement from the center point till the outer circle by rounder like this. Now don't stretch or squeeze the rounder. Keep it as it is and divide the circle by drawing arc like this. Now keep the rounder on the arc which are just drew and mark the other arc. Repeat it till we reach the first arc we drew. What we have do is draw lines in the circle with the help of arc we just drew like this. but leave a arc between two arcs. Basically, choose alternate arcs and draw lines like this. And for the inner circle, draw line with the help of the arc we left on the outer circle like this. All the lines should radiate towards the center point. Now the wheel is ready, and what you have to do next is draw small boxes on both sides of the page. The box measurement should be 3 cm breadth and 2 cm height, and the gaps between the boxes should also be 2 cm each side.
Name one side primary and the other side secondary
Now
colors.
the coloring part starts. Take yellow color. First till one part of the outer circle. Fill the repeat process with red and blue colors as well. Now it's time to fill the secondary circle. As you can see, in the inner circle, the parts are between two colors. That means whichever two colors are showing above the inner circle part, you have to mix that two colors and make a new color and fill in that parts. Don't forget to fill the boxes along with the circle. I will show you now how to mix the colors. First, we have two colors that are yellow and red. The color ratio should be 3:1. That means yellow should be little more than red colors. By mixing these two colors, you will get another color, that is orange. Now fill the orange colors. Repeat the process with other two colors. Like the other two colors are yellow and blue. The ratio for this combination should be 3:1. Yellow should be little more than blue. Mix it well, you will get a green color. Fill it in the middle part of the blue and yellow colors. Now for last combination, we have red and blue color. The ratio for this is also 3:1. Blue should be little more than the red. Mix it well and fill the last box.
This is how you make a color wheel. Just mixing the color and you will get a new color. We will come with more videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.